Hey everybody, it's Lon Seidman. We're back with a quick update on the PocketGo, which is that little handheld we got in last month. They did issue a new firmware update, which fixed the screen tearing that we were talking about for the most part. I ran through a couple of games here, and you can see they're looking better, but not perfect. I'm still seeing a little bit of wackiness in the graphics when you're scrolling quickly, but it's not as bad as it was before. And for $40, it's probably not bad, but it's certainly not perfect. I'm also seeing a lot of slowdown on the Super Nintendo emulator on here. So I think, it's okay, but not terrific. They did improve the interface, so it's a little bit easier to navigate around. You do, though, when you update the firmware, have to wipe out the card you were using or start off fresh with a new one. So if you have ROMs that you don't want to lose, you want to back up the card before you do this, because they do require you to re-image the entire SD card to make this work. And another thing that I had to do was repartition the card as well to get the full amount of space available. There are guides to this. I'll put some links to it down below in the video description, so it's not impossible, but it is something that will take a little bit of time to get updated. But I think once you run this update, this is probably the only update you'll need to do in the future. So all in, it's not bad. I'm still not totally impressed by it, but for $40, I think it's probably as good as you're going to get. And I think it's something that I will very cautiously recommend if you know the limitations of it. Do definitely, though, check out my full review at lon.tv to get a broader sense as to what this device can and can't do. Until next time, this is Lon Seidman. Thanks for watching.
This channel is brought to you by the lon.tv supporters, including gold-level supporters, the Four Guys with Quarters podcast, Chris Allegreta, Tom Albrecht, Mike Talbert, Brian Parker, and Kalyan Kumar. If you want to help the channel, you can by contributing as little as $1 a month. Head over to lon.tv/support to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe. Visit lon.tv/s.